Nchumulia gutigana nayo na gusuka mutu asorobotiro ndeni gongo kumanyuna nenchereye moyo kulinda ogonchiriria kwirire abakenya nigo baburiwe kugenderera gusimika emiti okwana omurugi bomurai bwense Rachel Ruto ase abakagosyoria omurubiri bogusimika emiti ase nsemo ya Elgeyo Marakwet niga bagakweneke buna serikali nigere tayari gusira abakenya ase goikerania omurubiri uyo.
It is an honor to launch this partnership between the Nature Conservancy and Mama Doing Good to collaborate in the planting of 1 million trees along the watershed so as to conserve our environment. To deliver this initiative, we have also collaborated and partnered with various stakeholders such as the Ministry of Environment, Forestry, the International Fund for Agriculture and Development, that is IFAD, elders, and the local communities. I am glad to be part of the 1 million tree campaign under the Eldoret Iten Water Fund, which I'm informed targets to plant 1 million trees within various river watersheds, as well as the donation of fruit tree seedlings to farmers. The trees planted and grown from this campaign will protect our critical water towers. We believe that this collaboration is the key to addressing some of the challenges we face as people, communities, and as a nation. The 1 million trees partnership is a shining example of what can be achieved when organizations and communities come together with a shared purpose. This initiative will also allow us to restore our natural habitat, promote biodiversity, and ensure a healthy and a thriving ecosystem for the future generations. These efforts will help us in our fight to combat deforestation, mitigate climate change, and protect the biodiversity that enriches our lives. My role today is to appeal to the community to nurture the trees we have planted for the benefit they bring, better rainfall for food, and additional source of income.
Elgeyo Marakwet, by TNC coming here, it is the right place that you are going to actually conserve. It is a water catchment. Anywhere you walk along the islands